हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 4th का EVS 2 का लेसन नंबर 13 शिवाजी गिव्स द स्लिप टू द एम्पेरर के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। तो जो भी हम क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट लेंथ में होने वाले, तब को आपको लर्निंग में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। ए, शिवाजी महाराज अटेंडेड द एम्पेरर्स दरबार, इट वॉज एम्पेरर औरंगजेब्स 50th birthday. B. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura. Second, write the answer in one sentence. A. To whom did Shivaji hand over the administration of Swarajya before leaving for Agra? Answer. Shivaji handed over the administration of Swarajya to his mother Jizabai before leaving for Agra. B. Who were the only person left with the Shivaji in Agra? Answer. The only persons left with the Shivaji in Agra were his son Sambhaji Raje and the two servants Hiroji Farzan and Madari Mehtar. C. What did Shivaji do for his quick recovery? Answer. Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and maulavis for his quick recovery. Third, give the answer in 2 or 3 sentences. A. Why did Shivaji leave the court of Aurangzeb angrily? Answer. In the court of Aurangzeb, the Sardars were to stand in a rows according to their status. As Shivaji was a sovereign king of the state of Maharashtra, his status demanded that he be placed in the front row. However, Shivaji was deliberately placed behind the Jayavant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had defeated many times. Due to this incident, Shivaji left the court of Aurangzeb angrily. B. What strategy did Shivaji use to escape from the Agra? Answer. Shivaji in the emperor's presence pretended to be ill and therefore started sending a huge basket of sweets to sadhus and maulavis. In the beginning, the guard outside could examine the basket, but later they got tired and stopped checking. Taking advantage of this, Shivaji asked Hiroji to sleep in his bed and Madari to massage his feet. Then Shivaji and Sambhaji hid themselves in 2 of the many baskets and they got out unchecked and thus escaped from the Agra. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.